It's July 16th, 2024. Had a range day with a couple bull legs, more bullish pressure, but yeah, had a range day. This is what we're looking at. Last three bars had large sales. Today it looks like bullish tried to close above yesterday's high, but failed. They went a couple ticks above the high. This candle's high is 98 even. Today's high is 705, so 98 2. So they went above by 7.75 ticks today. So is that so this should say 7.5 ticks about, and it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know what gypsy math I just did. The high of this bar. Oh, I guess I read the wrong numbers. The high of this bar is 1875, and the high of this bar is 2125. 18. So it's 3 point. Yeah, okay, that adds up. I don't know what just happened. Maybe it was lagging, or I read the wrong numbers. Okay, points are adding up. So yeah, pullback. Bulls are getting a breakout. It was a bull flag. Big gap above the EMA. We tagged the 45-minute EMA, and then we started trending higher. Very close to the previous swing high. I'm looking at the 45-minute chart. Gap up. Good bull bar for bar one. Bar two is follow through. Bears tested the low and reverse higher. Or this is support actually. So bulls were testing support. Well, the market was testing the support and reversed higher. And then bears sell off. The bulls rally and sell off again. Bar five. Bulls go for the breakout but fail. There's resistance here. Bar six. It's another bear bar. We got lower highs with lots of tails, and then we sell off into the EMA. It's a deep pullback with a gap up. We're still bullish. I think bears get trapped on this bar. Bar 9. It's a good bear bar below the EMA. Well, no, it's not a good bear bar. It's a bar with a bear body. The tail has a big tail, has a small body, so it's not the best close, but it is a bar below the EMA. Good for the bulls, bad for the bears. I think there are more buyers down here because we're trading above the higher time frame EMA. Every time we come to the higher time frame EMA, we bulls have bought it. So I think there are more buyers sitting down here. And the first six bars are range bound, so we could have a range day, and we did. If we have a range day, that means buyers sitting at lows, sellers at highs, buy low, sell high. Bar 12 looks like the bulls are going for a breakout above the EMA. Deep pullback, and it leads to a few legs higher. Leg one, pullback leg two. It's a broad, so it's not the best drawing, but this bar 19 breaks the trend line, so that starts the start of the second leg. If you have the trend line like this, bar 18 breaks it, bar 19, bar 17, 18, 19 create a wedge bottom and reverse higher. See right here, that's a little bit. These, I don't like how they added that add text line. That's kind of annoying to me. The wedge bottom bull flag, the second leg up. Bulls are going for the breakout above the high of the day. Right here. It fails with bar 21. I got trapped. I actually had a really bad day today, so I got shredded to bits right here. I bought this bar. I bought more. And then reversed. I got out. And then I got short here for leg two. It reversed. I got out. I waited for follow through. Got short. I think here I hit out when that bar was going up. And then I bought this bar but didn't take profits, and then this happened. I got short here and I took a full R here, and that's kind of where everything messed up. I think I went short here. I got messed up, and this is pretty much chopped up here. Man, the last 7 or 8 losing days I've had have only been from these days. I went back and looked at all my losers, and they are all these days, which is really good and really annoying. It's good because once I can get this under control, I think I can get a payout. Like it's literally, I'm not even joking. I have not lost on a trend any day with a little bit of range like this. I haven't lost, which is obvious because I'm trading breakouts, which makes sense why I'm failing here. But even if I don't take a trade, if I could just take a little bit less of a red day. Like today was catastrophic. My accounts are I reversed all the profits, so my accounts are red again. I have one live account I passed with Top Step yesterday, and I was also thinking about this. Every single time I pass the prop firm account, it's been because we're ranging. I wait the next day, and then I activate it, and the next day what happens? Be expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction. And almost every prop firm account I've had, I've started off as a red day. And I think that's why, because I'm passing on trends and getting slaughtered here. So I'm just gonna reduce my position size and get in front of it. Like there's nothing more for me to do except just keep studying range days. Because I can trade when it's that time of the for the breakout, it works. But here, I'm not fast enough to go for 2R or reverse my position or limit order trade. So definitely not perfect. I'm still working on it for all the new followers I know. So there's a couple of you who are pretty new here. I trade price action by Al Brooks and Ali Moinafsari. These are 20 EMA here, and this is the 20 EMA on the 45-minute chart. I trade the 5-minute bars. I look at the daily and the 45-minute chart with you guys, but during the intraday, I'm only looking at the 5-minute chart. So bears get there, leg 1, leg 2, leg 1, sideways, bear flag, leg 2. This actually has 3 legs in it. Leg 1, deep pullback, leg 2, deep pullback. That's not a deep pullback. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Budge bottom in a range, it reverses higher. Bears and myself get trapped down here. We all get trapped and we hit out at the worst spot. And then it goes for a minute. This breakout got followed through, but with all this selling, I think the best the bulls are going to do is go range bound. And they did go range bound to EOD, and even that was extremely sideways. Vacuum up into yesterday's high, failed by a few ticks. So here we are in the range. The reverse higher, leg 1, deep pullback, leg 2, very deep pullback. This is more sideways price action. Here's another. It's hard to count legs and ranges because it's good though. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, failed. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Leg 1 fails. Bears get trapped and bulls go for a new high of the day EOD. Strong breakout. It's not a strong breakout because we're not breaking past many bars, but we're breaking past this range. Bar 60 is bad follow through. Bar 61 makes this bar look like a bull flag, and it acts as a bull flag with bar 62's breakout. 63 has good follow through. The market goes sideways for about another 1, 2, 3, 4. About 15 bars, so just an hour and 30 minutes, because 12 bars is an hour, and that's about 63 to 75. That's 12 bars. My count, 12 bars, 13. So about an hour. Go sideways and then vacuum up to the resistance, and that's the day. More buyers here, more sellers here. Oh my gosh, I thought I had the mic muted. If I had the mic muted while this happened, I would have just been like, oh my gosh. Why did I do it again? Anyways, yeah, so that's where I'm at with the trading. Range day crushed me. Whoop-de-doo. Nothing new. I was trying to think of a rhyme, but it doesn't rhyme. Let me know how you guys did today. If you guys are trading the E-mini micros, a couple of you trading NASDAQ. I want to trade oil once I can put a few consistent months in on the E-mini for some swings, but now I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know what you guys think of today. It was definitely a challenging day. Limit order traders had a field day. They were probably scalping, making tons of money. Have a good one, guys. It was just under 10 minutes. They've been a little bit long recently, so yeah, have a good one. Check out this weekend. I'm dropping chapter 2 and chapter 3 in trends, and then I'm gonna try my best to drop 2 chapters a week, but it is hard. Anyways, have a good one, guys. I will talk to you guys later. I am gonna get this payout. Bye.